Dr. Zia, what about debt sustainability as far as CPEC is concerned? There are concerns about Pakistan's ability to manage the debt incurred for CPEC projects. Some of the terms of the loans have been said to be, criticized as being too serious, too onerous for Pakistan. How would you respond to that?
I think these projects and the loan arrangements have been planned very carefully. The interest rate is not very high, and the Chinese are very, very flexible and forthcoming in adjusting or carrying them forward. Yes, it will be a burden if we do not utilize the projects in a proper manner. And if we do not make them productive and profitable, then we will have problem in repayments. But such infrastructure projects, they are self-earning, provided they are managed properly. If they are completed in time, and you start earning out of them, and you set up a debt repayment council or committee that looks after and ensures that the debt repayments are done on time, then there will be no issue. However, this is the Western propaganda that you actually pointed out, because it's a debt trap that the US calls that Pakistan is getting into, and they don't call it only for Pakistan, they call it for the rest of the world also, for Africa also, Sri Lanka also, Ethiopia also, and Thailand also, where CPEC projects are going in full swing. But look at the benefits that China has out of these projects. It has grown in last 10 years. The trade due to CPEC, due to BRI projects around the world is 8.6%. It's more than $120 billion that are in circulation. More than 10,000 Chinese companies are working in Africa alone on these projects. And as the World Bank has estimated, it's going to be over $1.3 trillion that will be in circulation in the next 10 years. So it is big. And China, as the Americans think tanks call rising power, I say it's a risen power. It has already risen beyond their imagination. While they were wasting time in wars, China, the middle power at that time, was quietly rising and quietly consolidating. And just look at the number of organizations that it is spearheading at this time. SCO, BRICS, and now Group of 77 plus China. I think it has overawed the philosophy of togetherness and shared vision, has overawed the US think tanks now. They have been warning, there is no doubt about it. They have been warning successive US administrations, but they were busy elsewhere. And now, in my opinion, Dr. Saiba can correct, it is very difficult to stop Chinese from overtaking the US economy by 2028.